This video is used to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to set up a Watlow F4T controller using Process View software. This demonstration is running Process View on a Windows 11 operating system and is connected via Ethernet to a Watlow F4T controller. What makes Process View so easy to use is because it is dedicated to Watlow temperature controls, and the software knows how to communicate and read data without any complicated setup or programming. Other software packages that interface with large amounts of different controllers are flexible, but those packages require extensive setup and programming time to get the features that are important to most users, and even after that, they don't always meet all the requirements of the company. A Watlow controller used in an environmental chamber or furnace can be set up in the Process View software with only 5 mouse clicks. Pretty amazing, huh? When opening up Process View for the first time, this is the opening window that is displayed for first-time use. We have a F4T controller that is physically connected on the network with the same subnet address as the PC we are using. So, let's get started. First, we select the Add Controller menu, mouse click 1. Then, we select Add New F4T Online Menu, mouse click 2. Process View then detects all the Watlow F4T controllers on the network and brings us to the setup window. At this point, the software is reading all the parameters from the controller until the acknowledge message pops up. We acknowledge the pop-up message with mouse click 3. From here, we select the environmental chamber manufacturer, and the software populates all the setup fields for us. In this case, we are selecting a TPS tiny environmental chamber. All the parameters associated with the tiny chamber are now populated in the software. Mouse click 4. Now, all we have to do is select Save and Exit. Mouse click 5 and we're all done. It does not get much easier than that. No complicated setups or programming is required, which is great for us non-programmers. This brings us to the main network overview window. We will now select the tab for the main operation window for the Watlow controller that was just added. Let's look at the main areas of the operation window and see what is available to the user. This is the area where we can start, stop, pause, and resume profiles, as well as see current profile status in progress. This is where all the process values, set points, and percent heat and cool power values are displayed for each control loop in real time. This is the trend graph, which is currently in trending the process values for temperature and humidity in the chamber. Now, I will go through all the menus on the screen, which will provide you a quick tour and high-level view of most of the features for Process View software. The Add Controller menu is used to add and modify current controllers on the network. The Historical Trend menu is used to graph data log files that can be used for inspection or archiving purposes. Data log files can be very large, and this takes all the data points and puts them into a graph that is user-friendly. The Security menu is used for setting up security roles and access for different types of users of the software. This is also used to allow uncertain users access to specific menus and functions in the software. This feature is very important for meeting quality requirements used in pharmaceutical and aerospace industries. The Offline Profile Editor menu is used for editing and creating profile programs offline or away from the chamber. The Web Server menu is used for setting up the web server, which allows process values and status to be viewed from the internet. The Quality Control menu is used for setting up audit trails for quality systems required, such as 21 CFR Part 11 used in the pharmaceutical industry. The remote PC menu is used for setting up the Internet of Things server, which allows for remote PCs to view the data. The Help menu contains the user manual for the software. The Alarms menu is for viewing alarm status of the controller. The Static Setpoint menu is used for setting set points manually of the controller. The Profiles menu is used to create, edit, save, and view profiles that are stored in the Watlow controller. The Graph menu is used to configure the trend plot and what parameters to be plotted real time. The Tuning menu is used to set the PID parameters and to perform auto-tuning if desired. The PID Sets menu is used to configure which PID set is used during the process, as multiple PID sets can be used during the process run. The Data Logging menu is used to set up the data logging feature and to select the parameters that can be data logged. The Analog Inputs menu is used to view all the analog inputs that are connected to the controller. The Database Setup menu is used for configuring the connection to a remote database server, which can be a SQL server or can be cloud-based. The Batch Information menu is used for setting up batch run information during a profile run, such as operator ID, product ID, and batch ID, and can be automated with a bar and code scanner. The Archive Graph menu is used to print or save the current trend plot to a PDF file for archiving purposes. The QA Reports menu is used to configure and view quality assurance reports that are pass or fail criteria based on the process value staying within predefined tolerance bands. The Diagnostics menu provides information about the controller's firmware, part number, and other parameters. Okay, that wraps up most of the features of Process View software. And there are still some more hidden gems, but that is for you to find out and use in your application because we are running out of time. And this installation was done with only 5 mouse clicks. Try that with any other software packages out there in the market because that won't happen. I hope this video increases your interest in Process View, and you can download the trial version, which provides full access to all the software features for a 1-hour time limit. You can then explore all the features and benefits risk-free before purchasing the software to make sure it meets your company's requirements. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to our support group, and we will be happy to answer any technical questions you might have. We love helping customers and making their processes better, and most of all, the features in the Process View were customer suggested. And we use those suggestions to make the software better and serve our customer requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy process viewing!